Hi friends, today we will talking about Dyson sphere. So why this word Dyson sphere comes in world? The reason to arise this word is to full energy requirement. That means fulfillment of energy requirement is need to arise these new words Dyson sphere. So filling this energy requirement we depend on solar energy, but this solar energy captured at very small amount. So the Dyson sphere, and generally you can say a very big solar collecting sphere. Dyson sphere, you can generally say it is a collection of solar energy to compensate the total planet energy requirement. So this need to arises this Dyson sphere. You can see here British American theoretical physicist named Freeman J. Dyson. Freeman J. Dyson, and this word here, Dyson sphere, first explained this idea back in 1960. 1960. Dyson's published two papers and publishing in journal Science, and title name is Search for Artificial Stellar Sources of Infrared Radiation. Title name is Search for Artificial Solar Sources of Infrared Radiation. So what is this? It is sometimes Dyson sphere, sometimes called Dyson cell or megastructure. Dyson cell or megastructure. So what is this definition you see here? It is a theoretical mega engineering project that encircle a star with platforms orbiting in tight formation. And in simple way, Dyson sphere you can say collections of solar energy. Collections of solar energy. And how this word comes from? First of all, Dyson is arises science fiction novel named Star Maker, written by Olaf Stephenson in 1930. This writer written this Star Maker in science fiction novel, and Olaf imagined that a solar energy collecting in a single point. Solar energy collecting in a single point. So this idea arises to Dyson sphere in back 1960. So this is all about here. Dyson was imagining a solar system, says the solar power collection system, not as a power source for us earthling, but as a technology that other advanced civilizations in our galaxy would inevitably used. So this is Dyson's imagination. Scientists may believe that aliens are used as same Dyson sphere, and scientists discover a new planet as a new star name KIC. Name KIC, you see here KIC 8462852, or other you can say Tabitha Boyesen. Tabitha Tabitha Boyesen is a scientist who discovered this star. This star having very different sign, and scientists believe that that star having Dyson mega structure. Scientists believe that this star having mega structure, or you can say Dyson sphere, sometimes also known as, and maybe aliens live on that star. So KIC 8462852 star brightness study is very different to other star. So this is very different this star, and so scientists believe that on this planet aliens may be used as like mega structure or Dyson sphere. But friends, till right now no any material discovered to handle all the space radiation, but perhaps we find a strong material To hold this all radiation, then we need a very large quantity of material. You can say because Dyson sphere is a big mega structure project. If a small bit of gravitational pull towards this Dyson sphere, then solid sphere may be uninhabitable. If any gravitational may be changing, or you can say it is totally unstable. If any meteors or asteroid strike on that solid Dyson sphere, then they push toward the star, and so this is very critical situation, and that Dyson sphere damage, because you know day by day asteroid meteorites are hitting on earth. If that asteroids are hitting that Dyson sphere, then this Dyson sphere is damaged. But all these issues can be solved by a single word, Dyson swarm. You say here, instead of solid Dyson sphere, scientists used Dyson swarm to avoid above mentioned critical situation, as you meteorite hitting or asteroid hitting. This is avoided by the Dyson swarm. So what is this Dyson swarm? It is a group of solar collectors with their individual orbits. Friends, notice here individuals orbits around the sun, or it may be any star having their brightness. So how can Dyson sphere is made by scientists? This is a star, and this is Dyson sphere, sometimes known as Dyson rings, all around this star. And this star, that means this Dyson sphere, yeah, Dyson or Dyson ring having distance 100 million miles. This here to here distance 100 million miles. So this is the distance of Dyson rings, and as like this energy, total solar energy is consumed by this Dyson ring, or you can say Dyson sphere, and used by civilizations to fulfillment of energy requirements. So this is a technical terms, this is a new terms to used by scientists, and believe that in future Dyson sphere are made to fulfillment of all energy requirements. So thank you, you enjoyed